CBFI Blast Freezer is not used to store meat, but to quickly freeze meat below -18 degrees Celsius. With a quick freezing machine, food can quickly pass through blast freezer tunnel largest ice crystal formation area. Avoiding the formation of large amounts of ice crystals, and preventing the destruction of the structure of food cells. Therefore, frozen food meat is more authentic than untreated meat. Generally, the temperature for blast freezer room is usually -15 degrees Celsius to -35 degrees Celsius.